Lesson 2. How the dog found himself a new master. According to the story of the chapter, dogs were not tamed animals in the beginning. They were once free and masters of their own will. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Let's read the story. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom until a dog was born who was ill-pleased. Ill-pleased means not happy with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering. Wandering means moving here and there about by himself, looking for food and being frightened. Frightened means afraid of those who were stronger than he. He means him, refers to the dog. Once upon a time, the dogs lived in the forest like the wolves. They were their own masters. Then one day there happened to be a dog who did not like this sort of life. He did not like to be always looking for food. He was sick of remaining frightened by those who were stronger. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. He thought over the problem. Who thought over the problem? The dog. Then he decided to become the servant of one who was stronger than anybody else. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his. Kinsman means a relative of his family, dog's family. So he was walking and walking and he met a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. "Where are you going, dog?" the wolf asked. He went on walking. He met a big wolf. The wolf asked him where he was going. "I am looking for someone to take up service with." Take up service means to become the servant of. "Would you like to be my master, wolf?" So the dog is asking the wolf, will you become his master? "I don't see why not," the wolf said. So what did the wolf reply? Why not? And this agreed upon, the two of them went on together. The dog told him that he was looking for someone to take up service with. He asked the wolf if he would like to be his master. The wolf agreed to take him as a servant. They walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted. Darted means moved quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. On inquiring the reason, the dog came to know that the wolf considered the bear to be stronger than him. On this, the dog left him and joined the bear. The bear agreed to this readily. Readily means at once, and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows." Herd of cows means a group of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. The bear agreed to it easily. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows. Herd of cows means group of cows, so that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in panic in all directions. In a panic means in a strong feeling of fear. Terrible noise means horrible noise. So, after walking some distance, they noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were mooing. Mooing means they were making sound. Cows were making sound. They were mooing aloud and were running here and there because of fear. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily. Hastily means hurriedly deeper into the forest. "Now, why did I have to come here?" he said to the dog. Why did I have come to here means why did I come here? "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." The lion? Who is he? Now the dog is asking, the lion means who is lion? So the bear is replying that lion rules the forest. "Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth?" Who is the strongest beast on earth? Lion. "Well, then I'll say goodbye to you, bear." So who is saying goodbye? The dog is saying goodbye to bear. "I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." So the bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into the dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. He was the strongest and most powerful animal on this earth. Now the dog was surprised to hear this and he immediately left the bear. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. Now dog went to ask the lion to become his master, and the lion agreed. And the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared means to be brave enough to do something. No one dared to touch the dog or offend. Offend means upset or annoy him in any way. Now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted and the dog started staying with him and served him for a longer duration. He felt good and enjoyed his life. He had nothing to fear and complain of. Now he was with the strongest master. Here no one was brave enough to upset him. Upset means annoy him or offend him. So nobody was there to upset him. But one day the two of them were walking side by side. Two of them means lion and the dog, along a path that ran amid bare cliffs. Cliffs means a steep high rock often at the edge of the sea. when all of a sudden the lion stopped. Now the lion has stopped. Where were they? They were walking side by side along a path that ran bare cliffs. Now he gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Now the lion gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily, fiercely with his paw. Paw means you understand? His paw with such force that a hole formed there. In the ground there became a hole. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog. Now the dog is asking, is anything wrong? The dog was surprised. I smell a man coming this way. So, what was the lion smelling? A man. The lion said, we'd better run for it or we'll be in trouble. Oh, well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant. Loyal means faithful, true, and knows no other master.